What's up, guys?
Today I have the fidget cube. A lot of you know what this is. The fidgeting toy. So you have a little joystick here. You can push it down. A metal ball bearing, and then you can like roll around. It's relaxing. And you have like a combination lock.
White beets!
Oh yeah, a light switch here. Okay, look, a light
White
switch.
beets on your friend. And,
A light switch. Then like a thing that you put your thumb on. It's so nice.
and then Party Poopers Junior!
Let's go to the party. Buttons. All fun type of things in a little disc.
Oh no, Night Gummy got injured. It's okay.
I'm not. That's not night gummy. That's day hopper.
Oh yeah.
I'm night gummy.
Oh yeah.
And guys, I have 2 fidget spinners in my pocket. Well, no, I don't. But I've one and one in my house. Okay. And in the next video we'll be making one about it. Comment down below what you think one of my houses and what you think in my pocket is, like the color and what design it is. So like, I know you can't really do design. Just say normal. Like the 2-sided ones, like the fancy ones, the ones that go for like $786 on eBay and stuff. But anyway, the fidget cube, if you get it in Price Savers and Tesco's, you're wasting €10. I wasted €10 on the thing yesterday. But to be fair, it did come. It's like a mini version actually, because this little cute string. They're like, oh, there's a bug in your hand.
Oh.
It's got off. Anyway, let's just get into the video.
I'm Creeperface. Make sure to check out my other videos.
And I'm Party Pooper. Let's go to the party and do some poops. Okay, come on, let's head by the trees, guys.
Let's do some hunters.
So guys, it's really early in the morning. That's why I'm cold.
Here.
And that's bad because
Night Gummy, Night Gummy, Night Gummy.
I have a cold. It's very bad because I have a communion next week, next Saturday, and I'm doing a reading for it, which is not good. And I can't be going, oh, the altar. That'll be embarrassing. So let's just head up by the trees there. Yeah. Well, it's so cold.
We can't show.
We can't show that.
It's not cold at all.
Oh yeah.
I'll just keep the cam on the floor.
Okay. Let's head by the trees. Come on, let's go quickly. Come on. Go, 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 go. Why are you facing it down the road? Face it at me, because I'm beautiful and everybody.
Everybody's watching you, but she's all
guys, we have a new name for the subscribers. We're not going to call you subscribers. We're going to call you Night Creepers.
Yeah.
Night Creepers. I came up with that name this morning. I was like, what? Like, one video has some scribblers and stuff. Logan Paul has the little gangsters. Jake Paul has Jake Paulers, like, and clearly Creeperface knows half of them YouTubers. Look, by the way, Logan Paul and Jake Paul are brothers. And make sure you make sure you go subscribe to their channel. They don't even know we have a YouTube channel. But anyway, subscribe to everybody I just said there. Who did I say? Funnel Vision. Subscribe to all their channels and subscribe to the 2 brothers, as I said there. Carter. Oh. Creeperface.
Yeah.
Keep getting. I know I call you. I wasn't off camera today. I call him Crapperface. I was about to call him it that there. I was like Crapperface.
Come on, Sammy, whack me with that.
It's hard to make YouTube videos.
It is.
But anyway,
You're trying to be a tree. So
it's big enough to move. Jeez, it is.
this tree is the hard one.
Show me.
With a
Hold the
cam.
camera there.
Okay. Night Gummy.
Oh, there.
Hey, how you doing? How you doing? I'm climbing the tree. All right. I'm climbing
Oh,
the tree.
white beets in the house. Yeah, white beets. Oh God, he has a magic, mighty magic sword. He has a mighty magic sword. Give us the likes. Give us a lot of likes.
Party Pooper!
Let's go to the party.